Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. We're gonna jump right into this video so I can show you how I got these brows. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this Revlon Color Stay pencil in the shade dark brown. And here I am just brushing up my eyebrows. That's the first thing I do. I always do my eyebrows first before I do my makeup. I do my makeup based upon my mood. Sometimes I want a natural looking brow and sometimes I want a big, bold, beautiful, sexy brow. After I brush out my eyebrows, I go ahead and line my eyes with the Revlon Color Stay pencil. And because I'm going for a bold eyebrow, I kind of overline my eyebrows a little bit. Next, I fill them in, but I don't fill them in all the way, as you can see here. Then I take the brush from the pencil and I blend my eyebrows out. And this is why I leave the beginning of my brow, because when I'm blending, I use the residue from that and I put that right in the front of the brow. And I just do the same thing on the other brow. Now I know the brow brush is used to fill in your eyebrows, but I actually use it to clean up my eyebrows. And then I just use my foundation as well. Because I don't go for a highlighted brow, I go more for a clean brow, if that makes any sense. And that is why I don't use concealer. And just look at this, y'all. Cleaning up your eyebrows makes such a huge difference. Here I'm just using my finger to get off the excess product. And here I'm just using the foundation to just clean up the middle. And now I'm just using the excess to kind of take away that line because I don't want to walk around with boxy eyebrows. Alright, and here's how my eyebrows are looking right now. I was trying to get the sun to like hit my face so that you can really see my eyebrows. You know, trying to get that natural lighting. But yeah, that's how you get beautiful and sexy eyebrows. And I personally think that they still look very natural as well. And this is how my eyebrows are looking after I finish the rest of my face. And I'm going to do a whole separate video on how I achieve this natural beat. If you guys don't know this about me already, I'm very non-traditional when it comes to makeup. I pretty much do my own thing and I follow my own rules. Okay, up next is my liner. And this tip is for you, Queen Salma, my girl. Okay, so the easiest way to do a liner is to kind of follow your natural eye shape. So you're going to see where so you kind of like use your hands and glide along the bottom of your eyes all the way up. So you know your line will start from here going up. Okay, so up and down. Or you could just get tape, put some tape right there. And that's the easiest way to do a wing liner, especially for beginners, or if you always mess up when you do a wing liner. That's what I used to do, but now I don't need to do that anymore for the most part. Sometimes I still do mess up, but that's what I used to do when I first started. And that's how you do the perfect wing liner. Like I said, if you're a beginner, just put some tape there and that's the easiest way. Once you do it a couple times, you'll get used to it. I was gonna put on lashes, but I really don't feel like it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back.